morning.
Say the tray.
What happened? Oh! Nabalik yung aming puno. Is that from the wind last night? And rain. Ang lakas ng ulang kagabi, guys. Yeah, okay. What this? Yeah, it's good.
Is it this one?
Yeah, or this one, the tropical. Yeah. Kuya.
Yeah? I want to have water to them.
Yeah, yeah, water pala sila. Ito yung ano ni Sak. Nilinis ko na ito eh.
What? Huh?
Tubig ang ano nila.
How? Where's my food?
That's all this is.
I'm running my boy.
Pass shed do pots.
Alis din si John. Gagawin niyo yung pots.
Go over there.
What you gonna do with the pot?
Fix small and put them away.
Oo. I-fix nila and ayusin pa dun sa shed ni Dad. Okay. Do you want... Yeah, what do you want, Baba?
Can I play with this?
Huh?
Can I play with this?
What?
Can I play with this?
Cut your what?
Can I play with this?
What's that? Play? Yeah, you can play with that.
Towel, got towels.
Towel, do you have towel, Sak? Get your towel.
Where's my surfing one?
What surfing?
Have you got your top?
Oh!
Your swim top?
No, he means that beach towel.
Eh, si Kuya ano na siya, oh. Ano na siya, nakasot na siya ng pang-swimming. Oh, yung water mo, Sak. Yung V8, hindi nila pa ginagalaw. So, ayan yung snacks niya. Aside dun sa Oreo and yung isa niya pang snacks. So, here's Saki.
Okay.
Welcome. And ito yung breakfast nila. Boiled egg. What's that? You want egg? Okay, kay Holly muna.
Mom, can I try to cut this?
You don't have to cut, huh?
I'm gonna drink the V8 now.
Okay. Yeah, ismak. Ismak niya daw yung egg. Ako na lang, nak. And si Kuya, ayun. Inumin niya yung kanyang V8, yung tropical. You want egg, Kuya?
Yes.
For breakfast. Yun ang breakfast nila, egg. Nauna na yung hindi naman papasok, oh. Kuya,
Thank you. And
you're
this
welcome.
Is very good.
You like the tropical? Tomorrow you try the other one. The breakfast.
Mom, you got to take that off.
Oh, sorry. And si Sak, where's Sak, Kuya? Where? Yeah. Sabi niya, I forgot my hair. Tingnan niyo mamaya. Ayos na isang buhok nun. Baba, is it good? And eto kahapon, nakalimutan ko siyang hatiin. And ayan na si Sak, oh. Ha? Ayos na ayos na ang buhok niya, oh. Try ni Sak. Kasi hindi niya pa niya na-try. I know. You like it? Ha, Sak?
Thank you.
You're welcome. Let me try, Kuya. Yeah, it's good. Thank you, Kuya. Kagabi, ang lakas-lakas ng ulan. And tingnan niyo yung nangyari sa puno. Nabali siya. Ayan, oh, nabali siya. So, lilinisin yan mamaya ni John. Pagkatapos niya dun sa shed ni Dad. Did you get your undies? Did you put your undies here?
Yes, 1 minute.
Okay. So, ito yung dadalhin niya sa town. Oh, Sak! Para sa kanyang swimming. Si Kuya ganun din. Meron siyang towel. Tapos,
Mom, can you put my undies in there?
ano,
Mom, put my
nasuot na ni Kuya yung kanyang pan-swimming. And then mamaya, 5:30, you have swimming lesson, right? May swimming lesson din sila. Doon kung saan nagsiswimming si Holly. Okay, Sak, don't forget your bag. Ako, eto, ini-edit ko. Hindi ini-edit. Inaano ko na siya.
Mom,
Ipapublish na.
no,
What?
my hair good.
Guys, okay bang buhok ni Sak? Let me see. Oh, no, stay there. It's alright. Cover your thing. Let me see your hair. Yes, it's very good, Sak. Lagi siyang concerned sa kanya. Oh, tingnan niya. Oh. Concerned siya lagi sa kanyang buhok. No. Tinatanong ni Sak kung paano ko daw linagay yung kanyang sanitizer niya. Dito. So, no.
What do you take off?
This one, you have to undo this one here. This one. No, not this one. No, you don't have to know how, Sak, because baka tanggalin niya pag nalaman niya and mawalan. No, it's alright like that. Alis na sila. Umalis sila dito mga 8:20. Malapit lang naman kasi. Love you. Here, Zaki. Love you. Be careful. Did you kiss Holly?
Oh, I forgot about my shoes.
Oh, nakalimutan nila yung sapatos nila. Andito kasi yung bike nila, oh. See ya, kuya. See you, kuya. Zach, be careful, okay? Helmet, Zach. Alis na sila. Ang laki na nila kasi nagra-ride na silang bike. Ay, si Zach. Si Kuya, linagay niya yung kanyang swimming bag sa bag niya. See ya! Careful, Zach, ha? See you, Nak! Hindi ako nariyan doon na. Andun na si Kuya. Where's Zach? Wait for your brother. See you, Zach! Oh! Malamig yung hangin ng What's that? Lagay niya raw sa bag yung swimming bag niya. Ayun, oh. Kasi natatama daw yung kanyang paa. Is it fit? To the rescue si Kuya. Okay, come on, Holly. See ya, Nak.
My bag is too bad.
Yeah, be careful, ha. Your bag is a bit heavy. Zach, did you have your water? Did you put your water? No. Ah, buti na lang naalala ko. Ayan, nakalimutan niya yung tubig niya.
See ya.
See ya, Zach. See ya. See ya. Now racing. Alis na kami ni Holly kasi may swimming lesson siya. And ayan, nakalinis na ako. Except dun sa sa toilet kasi binabad ko pa siya ng wiping. Come on, Baba. 12 o'clock ang swimming lesson niya. Come on, let's go. Say hi.
Hi.
Everything gone out now, 'cause they're all in fear of you, knowing what they're harboring, knowing what they'll do. Come out wherever you are.
Dito na kami, may 5 minutes pa naman kami. And plinansya ko pala yung buhok ko. Oh. And meron tayong pimple kasi parating ng ating bisita. Bisita. Are you excited? Ito yung first swimming lesson niya for 2020. And kanina pala sila Kuya, swimming class yun yung sa school. And dito naman, mamaya 5:30 swimming lesson sila dito. So, pagod ang Monday ng mga bata. Okay, Baba. Nakaboots siya, oh. Nakaboots talaga ang baby, oh. Show your boots. Yep. Okay, let's go. Okay, let's go. Sayaw-sayaw ka pa dyan. Malamig yung hangin, Baba. Hi. Oh, it's warm here. Mamaya ka pa. May 5 minutes pa kasi. Go, Baba. niya na yung goggles niya. Good job, Baba.
Ready? Go! Count to 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move on into the step. Kick and paddle. Go. Right in.
Good job.
Outside.
Okay, jump, Baba.
Okay, mommy, ready? Go.
Jump, Baba. Good girl.
Good job. Kick and paddle back. Kick and paddle back. Okay, Becky, you ready? Step. Good boy. Last place. Lift your toes up, Bella. Good job, Leo. Okay. Go, Leo, lift your chin. That's perfect. Do you want me to help you with that? I'll help you with that. Sit your toes. Sit your toes. Sit your toes. Sit on it, Bella. Sit on it.
Hold on, Baba. Tapos na yung swimming lesson ni Holly. Did you have fun, Baba?
Yes, I jumped in the water.
Yes, you did. Good job. Tawagan ko lang si Jan kasi simula kanina nung umalis siya, hindi pa siya umuuwi. Tanong ko kung nandun pa siya sa shed ni Dad. Tawagan natin si Daddy, Papa.
Hello?
Hi, babe.
Alright.
Are you still at that shed?
Oh, we're just going to the shop, get some lunch. Sorry.
Okay, so you're at the shop. We just finished.
Well,
We just
you
finished.
just finished?
Yeah. Are you still gonna go to that shed?
Yeah, we are.
Okay, we'll meet you there. Can you get some for Holly, Han, please?
The shop.
Yeah, can you get some for Holly?
We already left the shop.
Ah, you already left. So you're going to that shed now?
Well, Dad's just leaving the shed now. We're just at the boat ramp just eating lunch.
Where I'm gonna meet you?
At the boat ramp, I suppose. That's where I am.
Okay. Okay, I'll see you there. Bye.
Well,
So nandun daw siya sa... Ay, ano ba yan? Nandun daw siya sa boat ramp. We'll meet Daddy there, okay? Okay, Baba? Doon tayo. Gonna si Daddy. Kasama niya yung ano, crew niya. Inaayos nila yung pads. Sayang hindi natin naabutan na nasa shop pa si Jan. Nagpakuha din sa bagay. Hindi ako kaya ng chips. Ano kayang binili ni Johnny Boy na lunch niya?
Everything got harder now, 'cause they're all in fear of you. Knowing what they are.
Ayan si Jan. Dito siya. Oh. Say hi to Daddy. Ah.
Hello, Ollie.
Say hi, Tommy. Pabalik na kami ng bahay. Di ba minute namin si Jan dun sa, sa boat ramp. And pumunta siya ng shop para kumain ng lunch. And kumain sila ng lunch dun sa boat ramp. And sabi ni Jan, initin ko raw tong pizza. And dalhin ko raw sa kanila dun sa shed. So, initin natin tong pizza. Ang dami pa. Parang isa pa siyang box. Kasi tatlo yung in-order ni Jan kahapon. So, initin natin siya dito sa oven. And balik kami doon. Ako siguro mag-oatmeal. Wow, seryoso. Mag-oatmeal na lang ako. Meron ako ditong oats. So, ito na lang yung aking lunch. Wait lang. Si Holland doon na, nanonood na siya ng TV. I love you. What do you want, baby? Do you want pizza? What? What do you want? Gusto niya ng biscuits.
I
What, Oreo?
Yes.
Manners?
Please open it.
Okay, open, okay. Wait lang. Kumuha siya ng pizza and nilagay niya yung Oreo niya dito. Mamaya na lang to, Baba. Meron ako ditong organic and sweetened na almond. So, itong ilagay natin sa oatmeal. Sana talaga mapanindigan ko ang walang rice simula ngayon. Simula ngayong araw na to. Dapat nung Feb 1, kaso hindi. Ininom niya yung V8 na tropical. Good, Baba? Sabihin. Dalawa yung linagay ko na oat. Isang blueberry and strawberry. Pinaghalo ko lang silang dalawa. Okay na yung oats. Ilagay ko dito kasi doon ko na ito kakainin kasi malapit nang matapos yung pag-init ko sa pizza. So dito ko siya ilalagay kay Kuya. Yeah, this is Kuya.
For Kuya, Tita, for his bag.
Yeah.
His.
Ako ang unang gumamit ng ni Kuya. And maglalagay ako ng chia seed.
Kuya don't love it.
Hmm?
Kuya don't like this one.
This is mine.
Mine, not yours. And you have to wash it.
Yeah, I will, Baba. And yung binili kong almond.
I like almonds.
Mm-hmm.
Are you eating them? Mom, save one for me of them.
Yeah, wait, Baba. Ayan. Okay, go get
Yeah.
some. Okay, so ayan na yung aking lunch. Diba? Sana maano ko to, kapanindigan. Ha? Good? Okay. Ito na yung pizza as in sobrang init niya. And naglagay ako pala ng foil. And tatakpan ko siya ng foil para mas save yung yung init ba. Para pagdating ko doon, mainit pa siya. So, tatakpan ko lang to, then alis na tayo. Ayan, okay na yan. Takpan na natin siya. Come on, Baba! Tara! Tingnan nyo naman siya. Kumuha pa siya ng Yakult. Come on, let's go! Bring your Yakult. Bring your Yakult. Come on. Yes, okay, let's go. Ito na kami. Come on, Papa.
Wait.
You're sleepy?
Yeah, hold it.
Doon po siya. Go, hurry up. Ayan yung ginagawa nila. Pinifix nila yung mga dented na pots. Hi, Dad. Dito si Dad. Pizza, Dad. Oh. Eat this now while it's hot, honey. I know, I told her. Ito yung akin. Honey, oh. Show me, Dad. Huh?
How about my wooden?
Yeah, put it there, Baba.
Nice.
There.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, ayan ang ginagawa nila. And si Dad, may wire siyang ginagawa. Inaayos niya. Tinutuwid kasi mga bend siya. Oh. Ayan, pizza. Still hot, honey.
Huh?
I need that toilet.
Toilet daw siya. Okay, come on. Aside dito sa oats, ang mga dala ko ay ito kay Holly. Ito yung Cheetos, Baba. Ano sasabihin? And ito pa mga dala ko. Meron akong hard-boiled eggs and pomelo and yung pistachio. And meron din akong dalang V8 yung breakfast. So, di ba? Hindi kayo magugutom ni Holly. Good, Baba?
What's that?
Oh, that's a pomelo, honey. This is my lunch, hon. See, I'm being good girl, babe. Look at this, hon. Honey. Pang-ibon daw yung pagkain ko. Ayun yung kanila. Dito tayo tatambay ngayon. Ito yung drink. Mas mo ba lang? And tatlo. Kasi yung iingi rin ito mamaya. Nagpupukpuk si dad. Maingay, hindi yung maingay. And lumapit siya. Good. What?
That one.
I think pa. Yan palang ginagawa ni dad. Yan yung pantusok sa... Wait lang. Yan yung pantusok sa bait or doon sa pangpain sa crayfish or lobster. Yun sila finifix yung pots. Nilalagyan nila ng rope. Tsaka ano pa ba? Babagol, daddy. Yung oatmeal ko, yung kalahati, si Holly ang kumain. Do you like this, Baba?
Yes.
Huh? Like it? Gustong gusto niya yung may almond. May ano dun. May pinifix si dad kasi may broken na ano ba yun? Parang yung metal. And si Jen tinatakpan niya kasi ayaw niyang tumingin si Holly kasi sa mata ba. See? Oh, that's yeah, masakit siya sa mata. Don't look, Baba.
Why?
Because Dad, Pa is fixing that one.
Why? I can't let them see.
No. Ang kulit mo din, tinatakpang ka nga ni Daddy.
Why?
Because, see, look at that. It will hurt your eyes.
I don't think it. I don't like it.
Kompleto dito sa shed ni Dad.
No, I can't see.
Mabaho. Mabaho, Baba?
Stinky.
Stinky. Yeah, it's stinky.
Why?
Small. Para may sira din yun.
I don't want to.
Yup. Iniisa-isa talaga nilang sine-check kung mayroong broken na metal. What are you doing? Siya talaga makakaubos ng pagkain ko. And eto, masarap siya. Masarap siya. Pag inubos mo raw to, mayroon kang isang fruit tsaka isang vegetable. Don't look, Baba. Don't look. Don't look. Pa said don't look. Come on. It will hurt your eyes.
Yeah, I don't see.
So much hate in the world I see. Where's the love for a girl like me? I'm fresh, I jib like a pearl in the sea. Ooh, yeah, positive vibes, chillin' the low, keeping my head high. Get to the love and don't waste time, no back and forth, living my best life. Life is out so much I
Chine-check ni Dad kung okay na. Kasi pag ibang tunog, ibig sabihin, meron siyang broken na metal. Tapos, meron pang isa. Don't, Daddy is busy.
Everything here.
No. Oh no, I have to hold your head.
No.
Yeah. Yan siya naka-facing habang nagwi-welding si Dad. Good job, Papa. Good job. Okay, naiyak. Stay there.
Look at the camera.
Huh?
Looking at the camera.
You're looking at the camera. Okay. Ha? Ayan, mauubos na namin. Oh. Baba. 50-50 kami dito ni Holly. Oh. Ito akin na. Yum. Dito kami ni Holly sa likod ng shed. Kasi sa loob, mabaho yung, sinusunog ba nila to? Ito, oh, sinusunog nila. Tapos mayroon pang ibang maamoy na sunog. Ha? So, ito yung mga floats. Here? Okay. Daming floats. Oh. Meron pa sa shed ni Dad dun sa bahay. Sa bahay niya. There. Etong mahabang metal dito, ginagamit to ni John pag nagcha-charter na siya or nagtutuna fishing. Itong ginagamit niya. I think, pag binaliktad to, doon, may butas, diba? Diyan nilalagay ata yung fishing rod. Baba, no. Baba, no. Uwi na kami kasi darating na yung mga boys. Come on. Okay. Let's go. Yes, okay. Bahay na kami. Si Holly nakatulog po. And maya-maya, nandito na yung mga boys. Ano na eh, 3:05 na. Best friend. Nagbabubbles yung... Oops, bumut. Papa, we're here. Come on. You can lay down on the couch, okay? Okay, you're tired. Ayan na si baby girl. Huy! I know you're awake. Inon niya na yung TV. And yung mga dala-dala ko, hindi ko naman ito nakain. Ang kinain ko lang talaga is yung oats. And dinala ko yung tirang pizza kasi baka gusto ng boys, merienda nila. O tamang tig-isa sila. So yan lang yung natira. Dito na yung boys. Hi!
I'm around my butt here.
Why? Get dressed because later Daddy will be here. He's gonna take you to a swimming lesson. Yeah, change now. What? What do you mean you don't want to? No, you have to change because Daddy will be here soon. Your swimming lesson is 4:30. TJ is 5. Yan si Sak. Kinuha niya yung mga basa niyang damit para isampay sa labas. Si Kuya, sinampay niya na pati yung kay Holly. Kasi nakalimutan ko, di ba? Umalis agad kami ni Holly. Angye? Yan na, oh. Thank you. Ang your towel to
Mom, it was so hot in the pool.
the pool, but it's cold outside. Go, the fly, honey, fly. Dito na si John. Kasi siya magdadrive sa mga bata papunta sa swimming lesson nila. Andun yung mga bata, pinaglalaroan nila yung yung naputol na sanga ng puno. Yes, be careful there, Baba, ha? Lakas kasi.
Go down and the wind blows that thing.
Not the wind, the rain and rain and wind. Ang lakas ng ulan kagabi, as in. No, Kuya. Get ready, you're gonna go swimming. Nandun naman yung isang classmate nila. Sag, is that your classmate or TJ? Oh, classmate ni Sag. Lagi siya nandito during weekdays after school. Sabi ni Jan, hindi raw siya magdi-dinner. So, ilagay ko yung steak sa fridge. Yes?
I take this off.
Okay, nag-bike kasi siya. Ayan, okay. Helmet siya. Wala na sila, Kuya. Where's Kuya?
He's
Swimming.
he's at golf.
Yeah, not golf, swimming. So, ilagay ko muna to sa plastic and i-ref ko. Bukas ko na lang to gawin. Kasi busog yun. Ang dami yung nakain na na aside dun sa binili niyang lunch sa shop, yung pizzang dinala ko, ang dami niyang nakain. So, busog na busog siya. So, ilagay lang natin to sa plastic and ilagay ko sa ref. Ito. Yung sa mga bata, steak din sana. Sabi nila, gusto raw nila ng tawag nun, eggs. Diba? Pinadala. Oh, diba? Eggs. And ako, magcha-chops ako. Ayan, tsaka yung mushroom. Okay. Gawin ko na yung magluto muna akong kanin para sa kanila. Yan, sain na tayo ng kanin. And lulutuin ko na yung lamb chop and yung mushroom. I-air fry ko lang tong lamb chop sa 180. Tapos Siguro 20 minutes. Ayan, 20 minutes. Pipitas ako ng basil para sa aking mushroom. Siguro mga 4 or 5. Diba? Organic ang ating basil. Ilan na to? 4, 5. Ito na yung lamb chop. Tatakpan ko siya ng foil para mainit siya i-serve mamaya. Tapos, eto, ang dami nitong oil, kaya naglalagay ako ng foil kasi nasasala niya yung mga fats. So, ayan, tatanggalin ko to. Mamaya, itatapon ko to sa labas. Ilagay muna natin siya dyan. And, eto na yung ininext ko, yung ating mushroom. Dito na sila, and si Kuya sabi niya, ang dinner niya daw ay pizza. Si Sak, nilulutuan ko siya ng egg, tapos another eggs. Scrambled eggs naman to. Tsaka kay Holly. Eto na yung dinner ni Holly, tsaka ni Sak. Parang breakfast lang yung dinner nila. With banana ketchup. And eto pala yung mozzarella. Hiniwa ko na siyang ganito. Then, ilalagay ko siya sa freezer. Kasi pag sa rep, pag hindi agad ginamit, nasisira talaga siya. Sak, Holly, come on, eat! No?
I'll buy that, please.
Oh, do you have any leftovers?
You said you don't wanna eat kuya, so I didn't cook.
I said pizza. I can eat.
Okay, you wanna eat this?
Dude,
With rice?
Oh, I don't want that.
Okay.
Mom, can I have the whole lot?
Wait,
No. Eat that first.
that too cool.
Eat that first. Nakaisak.
Can you give me a spoon, please?
Look, there was a spare egg somewhere.
No more eggs,
What is
kuya.
that egg?
Here.
Oh, Zach has it.
Thank you. And a fork, please.
Ikaw talaga, ha?
Where you go?
Thank you.
Okay. Si kuya, hindi nakatiis. Gusto niya rin kumain ng rice. Buti na lang, mayroon pa akong ito yung nilagang itlog. Oh, kuya, come on. Kuya.
Thank you.
Okay. Naubos niya yung pizza. 2 pizza yung nakain niya. Ano na, Papa? You're done? Good job, Zach. Holly, eat your food. Ayan, tapos na si Zach. Luto na pala yung mushroom. Tingnan nyo, ayan. Natunaw na yung mozzarella cheese. And gumawa pala akong sauce para dyan. And nag-steam akong spinach. And yung lamb chop, mainit pa naman siya. So, yeah, kakain ako. So, eto na yung food ko, guys. Ayan, kita nyo. Let's eat. Oh my God, look at this. Tingnan yung mozzarella. Oh. Nanunod silang news. Nilagay ko na yung sauce. Ay, ang sarap niya. Sarap guys. Lagyan ko rin yung chop ng itong sauce ko sa sa mushroom. Balsamic to, itong sauce. Tapos linuto ko siya. Sarap. Sarap. So good night guys. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe if you haven't yet. See you on my next vlog. Bye!